Magnetic mini recorder. Turn on the device. Press and hold the power button for 3 seconds until the blue indicator light starts flashing. Turn off the device. Press and hold the power button for 3 seconds until the red indicator light starts flashing, to confirm if the device is recording or not. A single flash of the red light indicates that the device is recording. Playback mode. Within 5 seconds of powering on the device, double press the power button quickly. MP3 mode. While in playback mode, double press the power button quickly to switch to music mode. During the playback mode and MP3 mode, single press on plus button or minus button to select the song. Press and hold plus button or minus button to adjust the volume. Single press power button to pause or continue playback.